Welcome back to the channel Ruchi's Teaching. In this video, I would like to say about the history of C language. Okay, I am explaining history of C language. Okay, in already last two classes I have explained about the introduction of C language. In this I am going to explain history of C language. You can observe all these things along with the years I have written, along with the years how C language has been developed by different scientists. Okay, before starting this, I would like to say that if you are new to the channel, if you are newly watching this video, please subscribe the channel. After watching it, I hope you will like it. After watching it, please give a like, share to your friends and subscribe the channel. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna explain history of the C. First of all, what is C? C is a programming language. Why C has been invented? C is invented because of Unix operating system. Why Unix operating system is concerned with C is C language is developed to develop an application called Unix operating system. To develop this operating system, C language has been developed. In C language only this Unix operating system is created. Now the Unix which is working is based on C language. That means C is the only language used for creating Unix operating system. Now this C language is created by Dennis Ruchi at Bell Laboratories, AT&T Bell Labs, which is in USA. Now what is AT&T is? A is American Telegram and Telegraph. Okay, this is not American telegram, telephone. American Telephone and Telegraph Office. So this is the place or institute or organization where the C language is created, and this is created by Dennis Ruchi at American Telephone and Telegraph Bell Labs in USA. This is one of the organization found in USA. Okay, this is created by Dennis Ruchi, and this is the language and now we are using. Okay, now first of all we need to know how this C language has come into existence. Before this C language has created, there are many languages created before this C, and from that programming languages only C language has come into existence. Now in 1960 one international group has created Algol 60. Algol 60 is nothing but algorithmic programming language. 60 why they gave is because it has been created in 1960. This has been created by the international group members, and this is one of the programming language, first programming language, that means which has been started for writing the programs. So, and this is also called as structural programming language. So In this one is created and they started using writing programs. They got some drawbacks, some errors which they cannot solve it. So by that they have become not discouraged, and they have started doing researches, and they have created one more language called combined programming language in 1963 by Christopher Strachey. By Christopher Strachey, he is the scientist. He has created combined programming language. That means he has taken some features from the algol and he has created his own features, and he combined them and created one combined programming language. That means from algol 16, CPL has come. Now this CPL has been studied, and they have done some programs, created some applications, and still they are not satisfied. Still some drawbacks have come from that, and again from that one of the scientists called Martin Richards, he has developed one more programming language called BCPL, which is called Basic Combined Programming Language, and that is in 1967. Now why he has given basic combined programming languages? He has taken this language and he has added some more features. Whatever he like, he has invented some features and he kept into it, and he has done the one, created the programming language. And still they are not satisfied with it. Still some more drawbacks have come, and then in 1970 one more language called B has been created, and that is by Ken Thompson. So from that whole name he has taken only B, basic language. Here what happened is, that is in 1970, here what happened is, here also it was working properly, basics are there in it, but still it has given some errors, and that errors they cannot solve it. That is, it is a drawback. So they have not satisfied, and again 1972 they have created one more language called C language, and it is created by Dennis Ritchie. Now this is the only traditional programming language which we are using now. Now it got the perfect features, good basics, everything which is easy for to understand and easy to write the programs, easy execution, fast result, all those things are there in C. This has been worked properly, but still they are not satisfied. They want to create still some more good features into it, and they have started creating one more language called K&RC, which is created by Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie. Both Dennis Ritchie and Kernighan are the scientists. They have joined and created K&RC. Still that is not satisfied, and again it led to ANSI C. In 1989 ANSI C has been created. ANSI C has been created by ANSI committee members, and ANSI C is nothing but American National Standard Institute, right? American National Standard Institute, I will write here. ANSI is American National Standard Institute. Okay, this is the name of that full form of ANSI is American National Standard Institute, and yes, they have given the name as C for it, and they have used it for for 1 year, and again they have not satisfied with it. So what they did, they have stopped it, and from this to this, and they have gone with the, in 1980 they have gone with the ANSI/ISO-C by ISO committee members. What is ISO? Institute sorry, not international standard organization. Okay, international standard organization. Those members have created this one more programming language and named it as ANSI ISO-C. But still some problem is there with it, and in 1999 they have gone with C99, and again 2011 they have gone with C11. But all these have been just kept aside, and they are now using this C traditional language. So among all these things, they have confirmed that C is the only language or programming language which we can use it properly. Why we have to learn C is, it is the basic fundamental programming language, and it is very efficient, and it has it has good features like pointers, dynamic memory allocation, all those things are there in it, and it executes very fastly. The programs you can write it in a simple manner, and it's very easy to understand. If you know this C language, it's very easy to learn other languages. Okay, right, friends, I think you have understood all these things. Still, if you have any doubt in this, please do comment in the comment section, so I will reply to it. And before I complete, I wind up this, please subscribe my channel, support the channel, and give a like, share to your friends. Thank you. Bye.